show you this real quick. This is where I'm at right now. Just to give you a live view. I'm in Chinatown right now. Well, it's Chinatown, Malaysia. So just give you the sight from my window. Show you my sloppy bed. All right. This is my hotel I'm at right now, just to show you. Just kind of give you a live view and a live look. I'm gonna open this window up real quick so you can see this. This is Chinatown, Malaysia. I'm here right now live. I'm zooming on the people. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna talk about this Yuma project right now I'm working on. I had somebody upgrade last night. Welcome to Yuma. It's really simple, guys. The guy on the motorbike right there, pretty cool. This is the place you want to come to if you just want to shop and buy a bunch of inexpensive stuff. It's kind of secondhand, but it's pretty nice. Clothes, wallets, purses, jewelry, the whole thing. Commerce is going on down there, guys. Commerce. That's what we're about, but I do it online, right? Let me zoom in again. Do it online. Yuma. Get paid $4 or $2 for everybody who joins up, except for certain countries like India and I think it's African country, Nigeria. You know, there's a few other countries that are not accepted, but majority of the countries are accepted at $2. It's most countries worldwide, and then you're going to have your top tier countries, tier 1 countries, it's known as, going to be $4. So simply sign up, guys, and join up to the VIP. Right now they got a free promotion where they'll put everything together, your entire system together, for absolutely nothing. All you have to do is just pay for your hosting and your autoresponder. Grab your domain and send the information to them. It's really simple. And I'm going to be showing you the back office here in a minute. But you can simply quickly get started. There's a link below this video. Go ahead and click that link and quickly